Let me show you how easy it is to create thumbnails with Thumbnail AI. So first of all, we have the ability to upload a base image. Now this is optional. If you don't have an image, that's okay as well. We can skip that part. Number two, we have text overlay. So for example, let's say top 5 vacation spots. Then we have additional instructions. Now this is optional, but you'll notice underneath we have AI suggestions that we can use. For example, use a vibrant travel, bold large font, and so forth. So let's say use a vibrant travel imagery as background, and we can add more than one if we want to. Underneath that, we have the style options. So we have clean modern, cutout, and so forth. This is going to be the style of the thumbnail that we want. For my case, let's go ahead and go with cinematic. So we're going to select cinematic. Then underneath that, we have the generation options. First of all is the amount of variations that we want. Let's go ahead and go with just one variation for now. Then we have the quality. We'll keep it on medium for now. We have the AI engine that we want to use, and you'll see underneath which AI engine you should use based on the description. So we have high quality AI generation, slow but the best. We have this one. It's very fast and high quality, not as good as OpenAI, and it doesn't support image input. And then we have Black Forest. It's fast and good for realistic images, but a little unreliable. So we'll go with OpenAI. And then finally, we have the format that we like to choose. So I'm going to go with landscape and click on generate thumbnail. Now, once I click that, we're going to give this about 30 seconds to a minute to go ahead and create that thumbnail for us. And after about 60 seconds, we have our thumbnail top 5 vacation spots that we can go ahead and we can download that. We can crop it if we wanted to, and it's ready to go. Now, let's go ahead and do one more here. And this time, we're going to add an image. So I'm going to click on add image. I already have an image from a previous upload that we can use here, or we can upload a new image. So I'll go ahead and use my old image here and click on use selected. Then for the text overlay, we're going to say iPhone 16 hacks. And then for the additional instructions, we're going to delete that. And we'll notice that we now have new ones since we changed our text overlay. So for this one, let's say we want to do a feature of a close-up of the iPhone 16. Let's try that, okay? And then for the styles and options, this time, let's go with a face reaction since we uploaded a face up here. And then down here below, we'll do 2 variations, and we'll keep it on OpenAI once again. We'll do landscape, and then we'll generate the thumbnails. And now we're doing 2 different variations. So we'll give that just a minute. All right, and once that is finished, we can see our 2 different variations here, iPhone 16 hacks. Both of these, they look pretty awesome. And then, of course, we can go ahead and download these and use them for our videos. And that there is just how simple it is to pump out legendary thumbnails with thumbnail.ai. Thanks for watching.